Hi, Jay from Downing & Nelson Company. Wanted to take a minute to show you a specialty cleaning situation that we run into. We have a higher concentration of machine shops in our area, and we service a bunch within a small radius. And this is one of the examples of probably one of the nicest machine shops we've ever worked for. Extremely organized, very clean. But of course, it's a machine shop. They get a lot of grease, traffic, dirt, buildup, all from the factory out back. So we like to really take an active approach to addressing this carpet, and we like to take a few extra steps as opposed to simply walking in, pre-spraying the carpet and cleaning. We like to use what you're seeing here is a power scrubber, this yellow machine. This is power scrubbing carpet cleaner. That's all that's inside that tank. It's just standard carpet cleaner for this situation. We power scrub that in, and then what we do is we extract it to the truck using the wand that you're seeing us walk behind later on. That wand is specifically designed for commercial carpet. It's extracting everything right out to the truck using very hot water. This two-step process is going to leave this carpet much cleaner than if you were to just, put cleaner down and extract it out with a standard wand. We're always trying to find better ways to improve our cleaning offering to you as business owners. So if you have a cleaning situation you want us to take a look at, give us a call. We'd love to take a look at it and move forward. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.